Great, great. Have you seen the flag of the country?
Yes, but I do not remember.
Now?
Yeah, that's the flag
Yeah,
of the country.
that's black, red, and yellow. Yeah, like we have three colors: saffron, white, and green. So does
Yes.
Germany has black, red, and yellow. Yeah. So do you know that Germans are like quite specific about their culture, and they love their country and their language a lot.
Yes.
That's why in order to promote their language, they have, yeah, that's, if you know German language, then your education expense is almost free in the country.
Okay.
Yeah, if you know till B1, and like learning German till B1 is quite mandatory in Germany. Like you should know it in order to work in German companies. No, that
Okay.
depends on which type of course you want to choose. So if you want to choose your studies in English language, then even then you need to know the German till A2 level. And for working in German firms, you need to be at least B1. Like obviously preference goes to B2, but yes, minimum eligibility criteria is definitely B1 in most of the German firms. And then yes, yeah, then comes C1. That depends completely on the course that you avail.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So next we have this. Do you know this? What's that?
Might be a game or a culture.
No, not a game. Okay, so that's Oktoberfest. So that's a
October.
carnival type, and it held every year in Germany. Yeah,
Take beer.
yeah. It is also known as Beer Fest. It begins at the end of September and lasts till first week of October.
Okay.
Yeah, and Germans are quite crazy for beer. I hope you can see with the big